Hello, grade fours. Today we are going to be working on adding large numbers, okay? So I want you to take out a piece of paper and a pencil, or if you have one at home, a whiteboard and a whiteboard marker, okay? Now remember, when Miss Hollinger says pause, I want you to pause the screen and finish the questions on the screen for me, okay? Let's get started. Okay, so I want you to draw base 10 models for 152 and 273. Now remember, to draw 100 base 10 model, it is a big square. To draw a 10, it's a rod like that. And to draw a 1 cube, it looks like a little dot, okay? So this is 100, 10, and 1. Okay, I want you to pause the screen. Okay, welcome back. So, check and make sure. Did you draw the same base 10 models as Miss Hollinger? So I have 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10s, and 2 1s to make 152. Over here I have 1 200s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 10s, and 3 1s to make 273. Did you do the same thing? Now, we are wanting to add these two numbers together, okay? So what I want to add 152, so 152 to 273. Okay. Now there's no thousands, so we don't need to put anything right here. Now, we always count the ones first. So 2 plus 3 is 5. And we don't need to regroup a 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. And 2 plus 1 is 3. Now, boys and girls, we know that we don't need to regroup the 5, but we need to regroup the 12. So we have one group of 10 10s. So we have to take that over to the hundreds because we know 10 10s equals 100. So we have 3 plus 1, which equals 4. We have a 2 left over in the 10s, and our 5 stays the same. So we have 425. Okay, I want you to do the exact same thing. I want you to draw out the base 10 models for 349 and 229. And then I want you to add them together, okay? Now you can use the chart if you'd like, or you can use the standard algorithm, okay? So I want you to do A, B, C, D, E, and F, and then come back and check your answers, okay? So you can pause your screen, grade fours. Okay, welcome back, grade fours. So I drew out the first one for you. So I have 300s, 4 10s, and 9 1s for 349. And I'm adding that to 200s, 2 10s, and 9 1s for 229, okay? Now, we know that 9 plus 9, we're going to have to regroup that. So I made a group of 10, and I had 8 left over, okay? So because we had a group of 10, we kick that one group of 10 ones over to the 10s, okay? So we now have 4 10s plus 1 10 plus 2 10 to equal 7 10s. And we have 300s plus 200s to equal 500s. So our answer should be 578. Okay? So if you got that, you got it correct. Now, for B, I use the standard algorithm. Okay? So 1 plus 0 equals 1. 9 plus 4 equals 13. So remember, we leave the 3 behind and we carry 10 over to the 100. Excuse me. So that's what that purple mark is. That is resembling 1. So now we have 100 plus 100 plus 400s equals 600s. So our total is 631. Now for C, you should have gotten 341. For D, 781. For E, 402. And for F, 1,106. Okay? Now, if you were like, oh, Miss Hollinger, I don't actually remember how to do the standard algorithm, that's okay. Let's do it together using this chart, okay? So remember, we always start with the ones. We're going to be adding 152 to 273. So in this column, we have 2 plus 3, which equals 5. Do we need to regroup grade 4s? No, you don't need to regroup a 5. Now we have 5 plus 7, which we know is 12. Oh, we're going to have to regroup the 10s. And we have 1 plus 200s, which equals 3. Okay, so now for the ones, do we have to change anything to the 5? No, we don't. We can just keep it as a 5. For the 12, we know we need to regroup it. So we know we have one group of 10 tens, which 10 tens equals 100. So we know we have to kick that group of tens to the 100 spot, and we leave the 2 behind. Okay, now we're going to add 3 plus 1, which equals 4. So our answer is 425. Now, you don't need to use a table to figure this out. You can use it using what's called the standard algorithm, which we have talked lots about in class. So, the same thing, you add the ones. Now make sure you're keeping your numbers in the boxes, okay? You want to make sure that your ones place value, they're all lined up. Your tens place value is all lined up. And your hundreds place value is all lined up, okay? So we have 2 plus 3, that equals 5. We have 5 plus 7, which equals 12. So you keep your 2 behind, and you do what's called carrying a 10 to the hundreds. So now you have 100 plus 100 plus 200, which equals 400. So your answer is still 425. Okay, boys and girls, I want you to pause your screen and I want you to finish these questions, okay? Now you can either use a chart or you can use the standard algorithm, okay? I'll meet you back here in a jiff. Okay, grade 4s, pause the screen and see if you got the same answers as Miss Hollinger. We will go through A and B together to see if you're on the right track, okay? So we always start with the ones. So 7 plus 3 is 10, so we leave the 0, and we carry a 10 to the tens. So now we have 1 plus 4 plus 3, which equals 8, and we have 600s plus 200s, which equals 800s. So our total is 880. For B, we have 1 plus 4 1, which equals 5 ones. And for the tens, we have 8 tens plus 2 tens, which we know equals 10 tens. So we leave the 0 and we carry a 10 to the 100. So now we have 100s plus 200s plus 400s, which equals 700. So we have a total of 705, okay? For C, should have gotten 811. For D, 920. For E, 800. And for F, 1,300. Okay, when you're using the standard algorithm, boys and girls, I want you to make sure that you are lining up your ones place value, your tens place value, and your hundreds place value. Now, Ms. Hollinger's answers aren't exactly lined up just because it's very hard to write these numbers using a computer mouse, okay? But you're using a notebook or a piece of paper, or you're using a whiteboard, so it should be much easier, okay? So I want you to try and line up your ones, your tens, and your hundreds. Okay, grade 4, so we are going to practice lining up our numbers. So if you have a piece of grid paper at home, great, you can use that. If you don't, that's okay. Just be very careful when you're lining up your numbers. Okay, so I want you to pause the screen and I want you to try and line up your numbers. So line up the ones place value, the tens place value, and the hundreds place value very, very neatly and on top of one another, okay? When you are done, come back and check your answers. Welcome back, grade 4s. Okay, so we have 239 plus 252. 352. So we have a 2, a 3, and a 9, and a 3, a 5, and a 2. So you see how my ones are lined up, my tens are lined up, and my hundreds are lined up, okay? Same thing for 7,231 plus 2,456. You line up the ones, the tens, the hundreds, and the thousands, okay? Now, you might be asking, what do you do with 1,000 and 100? Okay, so you write 8,464. Then you continue to line up. So you start at the hundreds place value and you do 582. So now your ones line up, your tens line up, and your hundreds line up, and your thousands would line up, okay? It goes to the same thing if you have thousands and you have some in hundreds, and if you have some in just tens. You would do 9,521 plus 442 plus 21. Okay, so your ones line up, your tens line up, your hundreds line up, and your thousands line up. Okay? Okay, now it is your turn. I want you to take these numbers, an A, B, C, D, and E, and I want you to line them up. So the ones together, the tens, and the hundreds, just like we did in the previous slide, okay? So using the standard algorithm, and I want you to add, okay? Now some of them you might have to regroup, so you might have to carry some tens. Okay, so I want you to pause the video and I want you to complete these questions and come back and check your answers. Okay, grade 4s, welcome back. So we have 239 plus 54. See how my ones are lined up, my tens are lined up, and my hundreds are lined up. So we have 9 plus 4, which equals 13. So you leave the 3 below, and you carry the 10 to the tens. So now we have 1 10 plus 3 tens plus 5 tens, which equals 9 tens. And we have we have 2 hundreds, so we carry that down. So our answer is 293. Okay, I did the same thing for B. So we have 7,491 plus 327. We start at the ones. 1 1 plus 7 ones equals 8 ones. 9 tens plus 2 tens equals 11 tens. So we leave the 1 below and we carry a 1 to the hundreds. So now we have 100 plus 4 hundreds plus 3 hundreds, which equals 8 hundreds. And we have 7,000. So our answer is 7,818. Okay, I want you to check your answers for C, D, and E. Okay, boys and girls,